My spouse is controlling me. He screams at me. She throws things at me. He demands money from me. She withholds sex from me. He controls my phone. She controls my whereabouts. He doesn't let me speak with my family in my native language. She threatens to burn my important documents like my passport. These behaviors are very toxic and unhealthy, and as an immigration lawyer, I'm here today to tell you that you have other options available. You do not need to stay in a marriage like this. So one option that I've helped many of my clients pursue when they found themselves in a toxic or unhealthy marriage to a U.S. citizen is a path called VAWA, V-A-W-A. It actually stands for the Violence Against Women Act. But don't worry, it's an antiquated law, and the government never updated the name of the law. It applies to men and women just the same. In fact, the majority of my clients we help with VAWA cases are actually men. Many men and women who I have helped with cases like this come from countries such as Nigeria, India, Romania, Serbia. I've helped people from all over the world that find themselves married to an American citizen in an unhealthy marriage. VAWA cases are a self-petition. What this means is that you don't have to depend on your spouse to sponsor you. So if you hire me to pursue this case with you, it's just me, you, and the government applying for your green card. If we pursue a VAWA case for you, your spouse will not be involved in the case. In fact, your spouse will not even know that you applied for this type of case. The U.S. law provides protections for people just like you in this scenario. If you find yourself in this circumstance and you would like to talk with us about whether this is a good path for you, give us a call. First, we book a consultation appointment with one of our experienced immigration attorneys. And during the consultation, if we determine this is a good path for you, we would love to help you put this type of case together. We've put together hundreds of these cases. Once you retain our office, we will first conduct a welcome meeting with you, and shortly thereafter, you will work with our experienced paralegal team who will help you to prepare the case. Your case will always be reviewed by an experienced immigration attorney. We work carefully with our clients to help paint your picture in the best light possible. Now, of course, we want to tell the whole and the honest truth to the U.S. government, but we will help to make sure that your case proves all of the elements that the government is looking for under the law. I know that a VAWA case can be daunting because it's a long path. VAWA cases are currently taking between 2 and 3 years to process. That sounds overwhelming. However, I really want you to keep focused on the bigger picture. My goal is for you to eventually be able to secure citizenship here in America in a good and honest way so that you will never have worry and you can pave the path for yourself, your children, and generations to follow. If you come to meet with us and we discuss a VAWA case, but ultimately we determine that VAWA is possibly not the best path for you, I still don't want you to worry because there may be even other options that you may qualify for. For example, some clients we learn have domestic violence in their history with their spouse, and we're able to pursue a U visa as a victim of crime for them. Other times, we learn that the spouse actually trafficked them, and we're able to pursue a T visa. So regardless whether you qualify for VAWA, it's best to call us so we can talk you through it and determine what's the absolute best path for you personally. Again, I know these processes take a very long time, and it can be a little bit daunting and overwhelming, but I don't want you to delay. I want you to call us so we can get started right away. It's always best to have an application pending. And keep in mind, while you have an application pending with immigration, you're always allowed to stay here in the United States. You're able to work. With most visa cases, we can actually seek a work permit for you, and sometimes we can even seek a travel permit for you if you need to travel home. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how much is this going to cost me? I don't want you to worry. We do offer payment plans at my office. So I'd like for you to text us or give us a call today so that we can consult with you and explore your options. We will maintain your privacy. We will make sure that your spouse does not know about this, and we will help you assess what is your true likelihood for success with this case type. I'm Attorney Jennifer Bennett, and I am an immigration attorney here in the United States. I have been for over a decade, and I help immigrants one visa at a time.